We have made it to Waterfall Bay. There is Ian. You can see him through the trees. We are climbing. Odin wants to climb all the way to the top, but I'm not sure that that works for me. Do you like Waterfall Bay, Odin?
Yep. And all I want to do is, and that.
It really reminds me of BC in here. It's beautiful. And somebody left a little Easter egg. We found the real waterfall, and if you look up there, you can see the second part of it. This makes a lot more sense than what we found the rocky creek below. But it is a terrific climb. This makes Cameron River look wheelchair accessible. We had to, climb up boulders basically, and it was pretty steep. You can see Odin's all the way up there, and he's waiting for me as we go check out the second set of falls.
Good.
Stop running around, please. You know what's awesome?
What?
Making a treacherous climb with a little boy who likes to get far, far ahead. We're just trying to figure out how we got up and how we're going to get down. Robert is scouting the way, and we can see a landing down there, but we fear it will be kind of rock face after that. I know it's buggy, hey?